Hello students, this is Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Now we'll discuss on interesting example, real-time problem on continuous probability distribution. The kilometer run, that kilometer will be calculated in terms of thousands of kilometers without any sort of problem in respect of a certain vehicle, is a random variable having a probability density function. F of x is equal to 1 by 40 into e raised to minus x by 40, where x is greater than or equal to 0, and it will be 0 where x is less than or equal to 0. Means if you put it on a sheet, then it becomes, if you take this is x, it will move up to infinity and minus infinity, the path. Then where x is more than or equal to 0. More than or equal to 0 means what? Positive side. There the functional value will be 1 by 40 into e raised to minus x by 40. If x is less than 0 means negative side, it will be 0. Okay, it will be 0. And it is quite common, it is a common sense, because we are calculating kilometer run in terms of thousands without any sort of problem. Means without any problem, vehicle is moving. When vehicle is moving and the kilometer is calculated, and 100% whatever it is, if the vehicle is not at all moved, it is 0 kilometer. If it moves, it is more than 0 kilometer. So more than 0 kilometer function is given. Less than 0 kilometer will not be there. Vehicle it moves, or even though if it moves in a reverse direction also, then we cannot say the vehicle is moved in minus 5 kilometers. We cannot say it is 5 kilometer. Fine. So negative side it will not be there. Then find the probability that the vehicle is trouble free. Without any problem, the vehicle is moving at least for 25,000 kilometers. Means if you take a vehicle, for example, even if you take a car, that car moves at least 25,000 kilometers without any problem. At most for 25,000 kilometers. Means what? Maximum 25,000 kilometers. Between 16,000 to 32,000 kilometers, it will move without any trouble, without any problem. Means it will be totally trouble-free vehicle. We say, no, my vehicle is trouble-free vehicle because I don't face any problem with my vehicle. It is very good, like this. Okay. So let us calculate its probability. How to calculate? What I do, first I take x is nothing but the random variable representing kilometers in multiple of 1000, because he said in thousands of kilometers, multiple of 1000. We'll take in terms multiple of 1000 regarding trouble-free run by a vehicle. Okay. So first, what to do? We need to calculate the probability of at least 25,000 kilometer it runs without any problem. Means what? Probability of at least 25,000 kilometers. But one thing we should keep it in mind. Kilometer will be calculated in terms of thousands. For example, if 1,000 kilometer it moves, so I'll not take 1,000, I'll take it as 1. If it moves 5,000 kilometers, then I'll take it as 5. So like that 25,000 kilometers will be taken as x moves at least means minimum 25,000. Fine. So x will be more than that, it is possible. So I take 25 because kilometers will be calculated in terms of thousands. So 25,000 will be taken as 25. Means what? We need to calculate probability of x greater than or equal to 25. That will give you the solution for your vehicle moves at least 25,000 without any problem. But I'll ask you, more than 25,000 or more than 25 means what? It is 26, 27, 50, 100, 1 lakh, what? It is not possible to calculate. It is very hectic. So we'll take its reverse impact. That is, probability of x more than or equal to 25 will be taken as 1 minus probability of x less than 25. Here it is greater than, now it is less than. It is equal to included, equal to excluded. Fine. Then this is equal to 1 minus, we all know probability of x less than 25 means 25 is its maximum value. Then what will be its minimum value? We know that x will be 0 to further it is function, less than that it is 0. Means I cannot take x less than 0. Therefore it is integration from 0 to 25. Okay. Then the function, what is the function? F of x. Then f of x between 0 to 25 means here to here it is 1 divided by 40 into e raised to minus x divided by 40 with respect to x, which is nothing but 1 minus, I'll take 1 by 40 common. Then what is integration of e raised to minus x by 40? That is e raised to minus x by 40 divided by minus 1 by 40, integration between 0 to 25. So 40 get cancelled. Then minus of minus becomes plus. Then substitute upper and lower limit. If you put upper limit as 25 in place of x, it becomes e raised to minus 25 by 40. Minus, if you put 0 in place of x, it becomes e raised to 0. Fine. E raised to 0, which is nothing but 1 plus e raised to 25 and 40. The ratio I can take it as 5 by 8. 5 5s are, then 5 8s are. Minus e raised to 0 is 1. So plus 1 minus 1 goes. Therefore, probability of x greater than or equal to 25 is nothing but e raised to minus 5 by 8. If you type it in Calci, we will be getting 0.5353, means 53.53% of the chances are there where our vehicle will move at least to 25,000 kilometers without any problem in this case. Then we take second case. What is second? We need to calculate the probability of at most 25,000 kilometers. At most 25 kilometers means what? Maximum 25 kilometers. More than that it cannot go. Means it is nothing but probability of x less than or equal to 25. It may go up to 25, means 25,000, or it may be less than 25,000. Fine. So here no problem. We can fix up the things for this without any problem. That is integration from less than, already we have taken this, equal to means what? Minimum is 0, maximum is 25 into f of x dx. Therefore, which is equal to probability of x less than or equal to 25 is nothing but integration from 0 to 25, where the function is 1 by 40 into e raised to minus x by 40 with respect to x. So 1 by 40 is taken out. Then integration of e raised to minus x by 40 is e raised to minus x by 40 divided by minus 1 by 40 between 0 to 25. Therefore, further this 40 get cancelled. Then it is minus of e raised to minus x by 40 between 0 to 25. Okay. Therefore, probability of x is less than or equal to 25 is nothing but minus, if you take upper limit as 25, then it becomes e raised to minus 25 by 40 minus lower limit is 0, means e raised to 0. Therefore, I'll take my e raised to 0 is 1, but minus of minus plus. So I'll take this first 1 minus e raised to minus 25 40 is ratio is minus 5 by 8. If you calculate this, already we know that minus 5 by 8 is nothing but this. Therefore, you take 1 minus that. Then that becomes 0.4647. This will be the probability of x less than or equal to 25. Means what? 46.47% of the chance is there where our vehicle can move up to 25,000 kilometers without any trouble. Maximum, not more than that. Third, we need to calculate the probability between 16,000 to 32,000 kilometers, which is nothing but probability of x lies between 16 and 32. Now upper and lower limits are already given. So this is nothing but integration from 16 to 32 of f of x dx. Therefore, probability of 16 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 32 is nothing but integration from 16 to 32, where the function is, the given function is 1 by 40 into e raised to 1 by 40 into e raised to minus x by 40 with respect to x. So 1 by 40 is common, then integration of e raised to this is e raised to minus x by 40 divided by minus 1 by 40 between 16 to 32. It get cancelled. Therefore, probability of 16 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 32 is nothing but minus of e raised to minus x by 40 between 16 to 32. Therefore, take this value. Then it is minus of e raised to minus 32 by 40 minus e raised to minus 16 by 40. So if you take its ratio, it will be something like minus e raised to, this is 4 by 5, minus of minus plus, it is minus 2 by 5. 8 2 is 8 5. Okay. Then if you calculate this, it becomes 0.221. Therefore, probability of 16 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 32 is nothing but this. Means, what is the chance? In terms of 100, 22.1% of the chance are there. Our vehicle will move between 16,000 to 32,000 kilometers without any problem. Thank you.